Is it going to happen? If you look at Kenyans right now, they are divided. Some say this story is too sensitive and should have remained private. And others believe that it is time the truth to come out because Baba has sacrificed too much for this country. Tukiangalia upande wa Gen Z especially, wale wanajaribu kupost online, they are so curious. If Raila Odinga's brother words are preparing Kenyans for Raila's exit from politics, yani ODM's exit from politics kwa wale ambao Raila alijaribu kumenta, it means that the opposition is facing a major succession crisis. Without ODM, which unites the country and other parties, who will lead the old Azimio? Kalonzo Musyoka. You have seen Kalonzo Musyoka is working with Rigathi Gachagua. And this is making Kenya politics itself to divide. Whether Opuru meant literally Raila died in Kenya, Raila's story is deeply human. He has carried Kenya's political burden for decades. And now, his brother's words remind us that behind the rallies, the slogans, there was a man who sometimes back faced humiliation na akakufa hii nchi ya Kenya ikiwa mikononi mwake. And still there are some people who have been left behind who will continue fighting for Raila Odinga's democracy politics the way he was doing. Raila Odinga remains a living legend. Even in pain, even in silence, huyu mzee alifanya kazi na Wakenya wengi walimheshimu sana. It's not only Kenyans, but so many people, the whole world respected Raila Odinga. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching this up to the end.